Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow heart flower. It's going to be colorful, fun, and super easy.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big heart in the center of your paper. Great job! Now draw a circle around the heart. Perfect! Now let's draw the flower petals. Draw 8 big petals around the circle. 1, 2, 3. Keep going until we have 8 petals. Amazing! Now draw short little lines inside each petal. These lines will decorate the petals and make our flower look beautiful. Nice job, everyone! Our rainbow heart flower drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, it is looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color our flower. Show your color pens. Today we will use rainbow colors. Ready? Let's color! Pink color.
Wow!
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Awesome coloring, everyone! Your rainbow heart flower looks amazing. Thank you for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub today. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep creating fun drawings. See you in the next fun drawing lesson. Bye-bye, little artists.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.